Here's a new 2018 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. Features include turbo i6 engine, heavy-duty shocks, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, pearl coat paint, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, "Clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before." Ram gets the job done. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.